Why do you need a business plan as an entrepreneur?
To raise money for your business. Potential investors or lenders want a written business plan before they give you money. A mere description of your business concept is not enough. Instead, ensure you have a thorough business and financial plan that demonstrates the likelihood of success, and how much you will need for your business to be successful in the long term. To make sound decisions. As an entrepreneur, having a business plan helps you define and focus on your business ideas and strategies. You not only concentrate on financial matters, but also on management issues, human resource planning, technology, and creating value for your customer. To help you identify any potential weaknesses. Having a business plan helps you identify potential pitfalls in your idea. You can also share the plan with others who can give you their opinions and advice. Identify experts and professionals who are in a position to give you invaluable advice and share your plan with them.
Creating a business plan involves a lot of thought. You need to consider what you want to do and use that as a starting point. At its core, your plan should identify where you are now, where you want your business to go, and how you will get there. Writing a good business plan does not guarantee success, but it can go a long way toward reducing the odds of failure.